Okay, here's my most requested tutorial on how I blow up my hair. After I take a shower, I normally let my hair air dry, but if it's like I'm in a rush, then I'll use a regular hair dryer just to get it damp. Once it's almost dry, but still kind of wet, that is when I'll start and I'll section my hair off. You take it, I section off them pretty small, so you really get all the hair. Just keep working. I go above, I go underneath. I kind of have a tight pull on it, so I'm sure it's like getting all of it. I keep spinning. Keep going. Once I feel like that's nice and smooth, then I will take it, untwist the hair, retwist it, or just twist it all the way down. I promise it will not get tangled. Also keep in mind, use a setting that's good for your hair. Be careful, know your hair type, and use a good heat protectant. So for the back and for volume, I do it straight up. Once it's cool, I take it out and give it a nice shake, and that's it. Bye.